Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Node.js on Windows 10. So first of all, you should go to nodejs.org, and yeah, we're already given a choice here. So we choose the LTS, long-term support, choose this one, and just gonna wait until the download is finished. So if the download is finished, then we go to the directory where the location of the file is, and we just double click this and the wizard will pop up. Just hit next and just accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, and choose the directory where you want to place the Node.js in. I'll just leave it as it is. Hit next and make sure that these all are checked. Basically will be choose this one, make sure you check all of this, the first option, and automatically, yeah, it's set to this option. Then hit next. So for this option, well, it's actually optional whether you wanna install the Python and Visual Studio build tools. Well, if for my case, I would just skip it and I'm just gonna click install. So if you're done installing the Node.js, to check whether we've successfully installed Node.js, we'll open command prompt, type node dash dash version. So if we see this popping up, then the Node.js is installed successfully. Now to check, now type node, so you will be brought to node REPL, so you can basically write the JavaScript code here. For example, console.log hello world, and it spits out the hello world. So I think that's all for the Node.js installation video. Thank you so much.